Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a sustainable festive dress try on. There are some other bits in there. I have a skirt and I also have some beautiful sustainable shoes that I want to share with you. So we're going to get straight into it because I have quite a bit to show you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and I'm so excited to get into this. Starting off with possibly my favourite piece of today's try on. It's from Reformation and it's the Kimmy Novelty Cashmere Sweater Dress in colour Sycamore. It also comes in, I think, pink and black, but this colour, for me, I just absolutely love it. So it's a bandeau knit dress, and I just think it's perfect for this occasion if you need to dress up a little bit, but still want to feel quite cosy and warm. I absolutely love it. So like I mentioned, it's cashmere, and you have a sweetheart neckline, as you can see. It's a ribbed, like, cashmere material, midi length, fitted. But what the star of this piece are the straps. They are delicate rhinestone straps, and that just makes it Christmassy and festive. And I absolutely love it. And with the sweetheart neckline, it just dresses the bodycon up. I picked it up in a size small and it fits perfectly. I could probably get away with the extra small as well. It's super, super, super stretchy and it's not see-through. So maybe size down to give that more fitted look, but if you just want to stick true to your size, that's okay too. This piece is possibly one of the most beautiful two pieces I've ever seen in my life. So I saw this months back and it went out of stock and I was like, no, because I really, really wanted to get it. And it came back in stock, thank God. So I'm just trying to find the name. So this is called the Andy two-piece and it's in colour wine. I think it comes in black too. And as you can see, obviously you'll see better on me, but it's a two-piece and you've got this beautiful skirt, like full skirt, midi. It's got lining inside and a bit of tulle to give you a little bit more volume in the skirt. And then it's paired with just a beautiful, simple, very elegant and chic top like this. The only thing I would say, so I got this in a size 2 and it fits me perfectly with the skirt around my waist, but where I'm a little bit bigger on top, I'm a 32 double D, I'm about 37, 38 inch around the bust. The 2 doesn't fit me. I would definitely probably need a 6, I would say. I'd go 2 up because I feel like it's supposed to be quite loose and this is quite tight on me. With Reformation, with their two pieces, you can't buy them separately, which is so frustrating if you're like me and you're quite different in sizing, top to bottom. So that's very frustrating because I loved this and I actually wanted to keep it and wear it, but unfortunately not for me. But I think it's an absolutely beautiful piece, and if you are similar sizing, then this is just ideal. I have picked up several like sparkly bits, as obviously we've got New Year's coming up and even at Christmas, a bit of sparkle this time of year. I suppose it's the main time of year you can wear it, but I saw this in Arket and I just think for sparkle, for me, this is the most beautiful kind of sparkle you can get. It's in this beautiful champagne colour. It's very subtle for sparkle, and I know that sounds silly because it's all sparkly. It's very soft, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So I was actually looking for something like this. This one is a midi, but I was looking for it in a mini, but I thought that this would absolutely do if you're somebody that likes dresses a little bit longer. But like I said, it's from Arket. I got this in a size, I think it's a 6, oh no, an 8. I don't know if they do smaller, and it fits well. I would belt this up, as you can see, I've done that. It's got long sleeves that are loose, which is lovely. It's got a little tie back at the back, very simple. And like I said, just perfect for celebrating the holidays and seeing the new year in. This is literally what I am going to be wearing. So I would say this piece is definitely a New Year's piece and it's very out there. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to get it in my size, which is so frustrating. A lot sold out so quickly. I feel like Reformation this year did really, really well with their pieces for the holidays. But this piece is called the Abbott Knit Dress in Silver Metallic. Now I've got it in a medium and it's too big for me, but they didn't have a smaller size. So I just took this to get it on, show you guys, and also get a feel for it myself in case it comes back in stock. but I absolutely love this. And this is a real statement piece. If you're going to a party or a big event, then this is something I would definitely wear. So it's one-shouldered, and then you can see the dress is cut away. So it has a cutaway at the waist and shows half of your stomach, which is very, very cute. And then it's nearly full length. It's probably not, it's probably a mini, but because it's big, it's coming up full length on me. I've popped it on, you guys can see it on me. Obviously imagine this just a little bit tighter, it's quite loose, but I want to say that the material is so beautiful, it's so comfortable, it's soft. Like when you hear metallic, you think it's going to be rough. Super, 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 super soft. I think I tried on a mini dress version of this with I did with a wrap detail over a video when I went to the Covent Garden store in London. So I tried a similar version on, but this is the longer version. I absolutely love it, and I just wish they had my size in stock. I'm so sorry, this video is going to be a little bit all over the place because this is the next day and I'm filming this cutaway because this dress has literally just arrived. It wasn't meant to come until January, but it's come today, and I had to get it in because it was the only like pure red dress that I picked, and I had to get it into the Festive Sustainable Dresses try on. So this is it, it's called the cassette dress. It's from Reformation and it's one of their silk pieces. I got it in a size 4, which is surprising because normally with Reformation silk pieces I need to size up, but my bust is in very comfortably. In fact, I've still got a little bit of room. It's got this beautiful like high neck cowl detail, and then it's got a beautiful back detailing as well. It's midi length, it comes in beautifully, it gives a gorgeous shape, and then it's loose around the hips. You'll see in the cutaway here. So yeah, size 4, true to size. I'd stick to your size. It comes in copper, I think green, I think maybe black, some patterns. I can't remember exactly, but I'll link it all below. But it is so, so beautiful. This colour is called Sangri, I think. It's a beautiful, like deep red, and I absolutely love it. So yes, I'm so happy I got it in, and we'll pop back to the original video. The next piece is this skirt from Arket, and I've actually been looking for a skirt like this for a while, and then I saw it in Arket, thought perfect time to get it this time of year, get it styled up. So I got it in a size 8, which is a Euro 34, and it fits perfectly, and it just gives the perfect amount of cinch and then the perfect amount of volume. I absolutely love it, and this is definitely something that, quite similarly to the like wine merlot 2-piece that I showed you from Reformation earlier, this reminds me of it. But I would style this up with a shirt, maybe a cropped blazer, cute little heels, maybe my Boden heels. I just think it's a very beautiful chic look that you could carry from this time of year all through the year to other events. I absolutely love this, absolutely love this. Arket is a new one for me. I was only passing by a few weeks back and saw a few of these pieces in the window and was like, wow, how have I not seen this before? But I noticed Arket don't turn around their stock. It stays as it is per season. So it's very slow, which is nice. And like I said, I saw this weeks ago and this was still there. All of the pieces that I was looking for were still there. It's very minimal, but yeah, love this piece. Let me know what you guys think. This is a beautiful skirt. This one's from Boden and it's a black midi skirt. But what's beautiful about it and what brings in the sort of festivities is the beautiful gold embroidery that you can see. And it's like stars and almost like you're a decoration. And I just think it's a really beautiful, subtle way of bringing in this kind of gold embroidery. So like I said, this one's from Boden. I got this in a size 6, which is true to size. It's lovely because it cinches you in beautifully. It's very soft and it's very, very light. It's not heavy at all. And paired up with a beautiful pair of suede boots and a black turtleneck or even a nice like off the shoulder black top, I just think is really, really beautiful for this skirt. If you're looking for subtle sparkle, then this dress is definitely it. And also comfort, because I couldn't believe how comfortable this dress was when I put it on. So this one is from Boden and I've got it in a size 8. It seems that in general I'm a size 8 at Boden, but it's this grey metallic midi dress. It's got a v-neck but also this sort of wrap detail at the cleavage, which is really beautiful, and then these slightly puffed sleeves and then a fitted cuff, which I love. Like I said, it's midi and it's very, very stretchy, very comfortable. Like I didn't feel dressed up in this, if you know what I mean. It was so comfortable. It's not until I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh, don't I look all dressed up? But I think this is a lovely option if you want to feel really comfortable, but also want a bit of glitz, but not too much. It's one of those pieces. I think it comes in gold and burgundy as well, but I'll link it all below for you. Another sparkly number, this one's from Reformation, and it's their Felice skirt in silver. I got it in a size 2. I think it fits perfectly. It's obviously very short, and I'm 5'7", and I'm not the tallest of girls, but still quite short on me, so bear that in mind. But if you're going to a party, then who cares? Live your best life. This actually is a 2-piece, but the top went out of stock, and the top is definitely a piece that I would have loved to wear with black jeans, pair of heels. That would have been like my kind of look, but I thought I'd get the skirt just to see. And if you can get your hands on both of them, then lucky you, because I think the 2-piece is absolutely beautiful. I've just styled it up with a simple black top just to show you guys, but yeah, just bear in mind it comes in a 2-piece, and when you have 2 pieces, then you can get so many outfits out of them, with the top, like I said, with the trousers, with even a pencil skirt, this with a turtleneck or a strappy. These pieces would get you through so many years of festive celebrations. The next piece is actually what I'm wearing now. It's this off the shoulder knitted cream mini dress, and I absolutely love it. Like, for me, cozy, cute and white is my perfect Christmas look. There's nothing better than feeling like you're wrapped up, and that's what it feels like when you're in this dress. I can't remember the name of it. I will pop it in the description box, of course, for you, but I did get it in a small, and I think I could have probably sized down. What I will say is it does get a little bit baggier as you wear it, which I like. I don't want it to be too tight, but I feel like I could get away with an extra small. Long, beautiful sleeves, fold over. It's ribbed as well, as you can see, and it's in this beautiful Christmas white, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to size down on it because it does feel like it's hanging a little bit on me. I picked up a knit for those of you that don't want to wear dresses this year, and it's in this beautiful biscuit colour, and what's festive about it is that it's got this like gold thread running through it. I don't know if you can see it, but it really dresses the jumper up, and this paired with a pair of black jeans, beautiful pair of sparkly shoes, will really be a beautiful look. So it's a chunky knit, it comes in at the wrist, keeping you warm, and what's lovely is this deep V-neck that you've got, and I've sized up in this so that I can wear it over the shoulder, and again it dresses up a simple knit, and I just think it's lovely. It's from Boden. I got it in a size 8. Last piece for the clothing, but I have 2 shoes to show you, so make sure you stick around. This one is again from Reformation. Reformation have done so incredibly this season, I have to say. Like, there was so much more I could have gotten. In fact, I think 2 dresses are still due to arrive. They're like pre-ordered. I don't know, to be honest, I don't think they're going to make it here before Christmas, but when I do get them I will show you. But this one, again, for New Year's party celebration, this is literally like the disco ball dress for me. It's absolutely beautiful. It's again, like, I feel like I've picked really beautiful sparkle and dazzle and shine. Like, some of them can look really, really horrible, but this one again is really lovely. Like, you can see, if I show you, you can see they're not like square blocks, they're more little rectangles, which is giving it a really beautiful shine. So this is a square neck dress, which I really loved. Gives that very like 80s vibe, and it's not fitted, it's very straight, which I think's lovely. With a pair of high heels, you are good to go. You can dance the whole night away. So this is called the Alicia dress, in silver, of course, and I've got it in a size 4, and it fits me perfectly. I could maybe size up for more of a looser look, but I feel that this is absolutely fine. So as you can see, there's a lot of material in that. My bust fits in, my bum fits in, it's all fitting in nicely. But yeah, for me, this is the New Year's party dress. Finishing up with 2 pairs of shoes that I found, and oh my goodness, they are stunning. I cannot believe that I found such beautiful, sustainable shoes. Like, I really didn't think I would find anything. Blown away with both of these pairs. So the first pair I want to show you are this pair from Reformation, and I've noticed Reformation this year in particular have really upped their game with their shoes, and they're just getting better and better as they go on. So you can see here, this is just like a classic going out shoe, party shoe. It's got the rhinestones, 3 straps with rhinestones. I've got the silver, but I think it comes in rose gold and gold. I'm not sure, I'll link it all below. So you have like different finishes depending on like what colour you prefer. Square toe, and I just think it's done so well. Like you would not think, I mean, going back to when I would look at sustainable shoes years ago, I would have never thought that I would ever be able to find something like that. But I absolutely love it. I've got it in a 6, which is my size, so they're true to size, they fit perfectly. And yeah, that's the first pair. Perfect for styling up with like really going out dresses, like the sparkle dresses, and even like a simple black outfit, just a little bit of sparkle if you're going for something a bit simple. The last pair of shoes have stolen my heart, like quite literally. Fell head over heels in love with them. I can't stop wearing them. You'll notice on Instagram I'm wearing them a lot, but it's these beautiful shoes from Boden. This for sure is going to be the shoe that I'm going to be wearing the most this season. Just look, oh my goodness. Okay, so these are from Boden. This was actually my first shop from Boden, and I'm really impressed. I have to say, I'm really impressed. They had some other lovely shoes, but these are my favorite. So they are this like satin black court, simple kitten heel, sling back with this beautiful detail on the front. And they remind me of like a pair of Manolo Blahniks, and I've been wanting a pair of Manolo Blahniks for so long. But other than the price, I need to look at how sustainable the brand is, and I just haven't got around to it. But when I saw these, I just thought, well, that's it then. I love the shape of the detail. There's a mixture of colours, so you've got like clear stones, then you've got sort of amber, and you've also got grey and maybe a bit of gold, which is really lovely and ties in so many colours when you wear them. I absolutely love these. I have them in a 6. And actually, I would probably size up because these are a tiny bit small for me, like my heel's hanging just a touch. The only reason I haven't sized up is because there's no buckle on here, so I can't tighten it, and this, I sometimes fall out of this. So that's the only thing I'd say. Try maybe both sizes, so maybe for me it'd be 6 and a 7, just to be sure. But yeah, absolutely love them. I had to show you them. And that is everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's try on. This is the last try on of the year. It's Christmas in a couple of weeks and I'm definitely going to chill out, but I hope that I've helped you find some sustainable outfits for the holidays. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you got any of these pieces, even send me pictures over on Instagram of you wearing it, because I love seeing it. And of course I'll be sharing what I'm wearing over on Instagram in the holidays too. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video this week. Please remember to subscribe before you go, and don't forget to come and say hey on Instagram. It's at Alessandra. I'll see you next week. Bye.